Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making eggplant pork sauce noodles, a classic comfort dish that's hearty, flavorful, and just perfect for a quick homemade meal. Look at this, glossy noodles, rich sauce, and all those colors. Doesn't it look amazing? Alright, let's get prepped. First up, grab an eggplant. Give it a good wash. Slice it thick. Cut into strips. And then into small cubes. Next, take a piece of pork belly and dice it up the same way. For aromatics, I've got some chopped green peppers, red peppers, and a little minced garlic. Everything is ready to go. By the way, I've listed all the exact amounts in the description box, so you can check that if you need it. Now, let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add about a teaspoon of salt and drop in your noodles. Once they are cooked, scoop them out. Rinse underwater. This makes them extra springy. Then drain well. Now heat a little oil in the wok. In goes the pork. Stir fry until the color changes. Then add in the eggplant cubes. Keep the heat medium-low. Take your time here because eggplant needs a bit of love. Cook it down so it's soft and there's no raw taste left. Once it's nice and wilted, add a tablespoon of soybean paste. Stir it in until that deep aroma comes out. Then splash in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1½ of light soy sauce, and just half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything well. Now pour in about 300 milliliters of the noodle cooking water. Don't waste that, it's full of starch and flavor. Season with 2 teaspoons of MSG and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and just let it simmer for a minute or 2. Then toss in the green and red peppers and the garlic. Once you smell that garlicky aroma, drizzle in a little potato starch slurry, just enough to thicken it slightly. You want the sauce to coat the noodles, not run off. Noodles go into the bowl first, then ladle that glossy, rich sauce right on top. Oh man, just look at that! Glossy, fragrant, colorful. I bet most of you haven't tried topping your noodles with a sauce like this at home. Let me give it a taste. Oh wow, the sauce is incredible. Savory, rich, with just the right kick from the peppers. And the noodles soak it all up perfectly. Simple ingredients, simple method, but a restaurant level flavor. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.